All right, guys, I just want to do a quick video, especially for the Texans. If everyone went through the same storm, so everybody that drove their vehicle on the roads, on the salted roads, they were heavily salted. This is not something we go through a lot in Texas, but make sure you wash your vehicle. So when I say wash it, don't just run it through the cheap car wash. Actually get one that's going to do the undercarriage and everything, because this salt will tear up your vehicle. I'm saying that because I was stationed up north. I actually had this vehicle up north, and you can see some of the stuff on it. It's got a lot of rock dings and small things, but that salt, even washing your vehicle up there, because they heavily salt the roads, it tears up your vehicle. It starts to rust, and it finds the spots that have paint chips and stuff like that. So I'll show you. Like, see that? It's starting to get a little bit of rust. And like I said, this is taking care of your vehicle and washing it up north. There's really not much you can do. But in Texas, we just went through that 1 week. So it's a perfect time to go ahead and wash your vehicle. Do the undercarriage, do under the hood, all the places where that mush and that salt creeped up in there. And it's gonna cause you issues later. If you have wheels, doesn't matter really what kind of wheels, because they'll tear them up. But especially if you have painted or polished wheels, you're gonna want to go ahead and clean them up. I already washed this yesterday, and you can see it's already dirty. There's still stuff on the road that's flying around everywhere. But yeah, take care of it. Do what you can and clean up your vehicle. If you don't have the means yourself at home, or you live in an apartment, pay a detailer. I mean, those guys, they'll charge you 30-40 bucks, and they'll make sure everything's right on your car. So like I said, I just wanted to throw it out there for the people that haven't been up north, and this is the first time they went through this kind of weather. Go ahead and take care of business and make sure your vehicle's clean, undercarriage, top. Just make sure that paint stays clean. All right, guys, thanks for watching.